Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to conduct an effective project closeout in teamwork.com. First, let's navigate to the project dashboard and choose the project we want to close. This is where we manage all project details. It's important to select the right project as it will set the tone for our closeout process. Next up, go to the Options menu and click on Mark as Complete. This step is vital because it officially closes the project in the system, preventing further entries or modifications. This helps us because it ensures that the project's final status and data remain accurate and untouched. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the project report section. Here, we'll generate a final project report. The reason we do this is to capture all the project data in one place. This report should include key achievements, challenges faced, and lessons learned. Once the report is generated, click on Save and Share. You'll want to share it with your team and stakeholders. This step is crucial as it ensures everyone is on the same page about the project's outcomes and learnings. It also promotes transparency and trust within your team. Lastly, let's not forget to archive the project. Go back to the project page, click on Options, then move to Archive. Archiving the project helps us because it keeps our active project dashboard clean and organized, but still allows us to access the project data if needed in the future. And that's it. You've successfully closed out a project on teamwork.com. Remember, project closeout is not just about ticking off a task or project as completed. It's about learning from the process, celebrating achievements, and continuously improving for future projects. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you next time.